Welcome to FDA Pulse, where each story is crafted with your health and safety in mind. In this episode, the FDA issues a report on heavy metal contamination. The authority engages stakeholders on the implementation of site verification for frozen animal products. And the FDA participates in the Organic and Natural Products Expo in South Africa. Please stay tuned for more updates. Welcome back. In our first story, the Food and Drugs Authority, FDA, has released a concerning report on heavy metal contamination in selected food and cosmetic products on the Ghanaian market. The nationwide surveillance conducted in partnership with UNICEF revealed alarming levels of lead, cadmium, and mercury in several products.
The FDA, in partnership with UNICEF, has released the National Summary Report on Heavy Metal Contamination in selected food and cosmetic products on the Ghanaian market. The nationwide surveillance assessed levels of lead, cadmium, and mercury in these products. FDA Pulse spoke to mothers about the FDA's report on heavy metal contamination in food and cosmetic products. Many are concerned about the safety of the products they are using in feeding their children. Here is what some mothers had to say.
Ebinu oho a like ebi to say Tom Brown. We are taste no. Ena be mo we hu say ebi a fault aba ho.
Ebi oho a okota ebi a senior first na ne color ne tie no. Sisi okota ebi oho a color ne ntisa. Ebi on so a use a first senior esiwa eche no. You are ntisa sisi ntisa esiwa kakra na ense. But nyametu ya kan so mo hwehwe mu ana omo ye first no omo nguso ana omo ye
no FDA for no so no omo hwe ye so ye duane so no bibia anti ye pa che o ma mo omo nimu na ko enyama homa ye pa se obi mu wo ho a omo to fake aduane ma ye.
The report revealed that unbranded products from open markets and retail shops were the main sources of contamination, raising serious public health concerns.
The FDA has introduced a new registration requirement for site verification for frozen animal products. This initiative aims to ensure that fish, poultry, offal, and meat reaching Ghanaian consumers are safe, wholesome, and traceable. Let's take a closer look at this initiative in this report.
The FDA has taken proactive steps to ensure food safety in Ghana. According to Mr. Roderick Dadeje, the Deputy Chief Executive Officer, speaking at a 3-day stakeholder engagement to introduce the new registration requirements for site verification for frozen animal products, revealed that facilities claiming compliance will now be physically inspected before approval. This ensures honesty, strengthens traceability, and sustains consumer confidence. He emphasized that food safety is a critical issue, and weak systems can lead to devastating consequences, including foodborne illness and economic losses. Mrs. Maureen Latte, the Director of Food Safety and Consumer Education, added that the new requirement enforces good manufacturing and hygiene practices, covering cold storage, labeling, packaging, and transportation. Mrs. Latte noted that the new site verification system benefits all parties, businesses, consumers, and the nation by enhancing credibility, minimizing reputational risks, and aligning Ghana with international best practices. The FDA's commitment to food safety is clear. Site verification is a strategic safeguard for public health. This initiative demonstrates the authority's dedication to protecting consumers and promoting a safe food supply chain in Ghana.
In recent times, exhibitions have become one of the major ways the FDA gets to interact directly with our stakeholders for effective regulatory control, providing valuable information and guidance to ensure regulatory adherence and compliance. It is for this reason that the FDA's participation in this year's Organic and Natural Products Expo was important. My colleague, Jude Okai, has more in this report.
The Organic and Natural Products Expo is an annual event held in South Africa It brings together producers and manufacturers of natural products, including cosmetics, food, and herbal products, among others. This year's event was held at the Sancton Convention Center, attracting over 200 exhibitors. The Food and Drugs authorities present at the fair afforded individuals and businesses interested in venturing into the Ghanaian market the opportunity to gain the necessary information needed to ensure their products are compliant before getting into the country. Enquirers were impressed at the rigorous regulatory processes instituted by the FDA. Mr. John Tim, organizer of the fair, stated how successful the fair has been considering the level of turnout.
From about 5 different countries. We've got over 2,500 registered trade visitors, and we've probably got about 3,000 public coming through as of today, and we're not even halfway through the day.
Some exhibitors also expressed their excitement and hoped for more of such opportunities.
The farm are at the expo today, the Organic Expo, and it was a lovely experience. I thought it was quite successful, and I do hope that we can attend more of these in the future.
The expedition has been so exciting. I've met so many wonderful people. I'm so excited about the thought of my products going across the border. So much interest from Nigeria, Ghana, that kind of place. I can't wait. I really can't wait.
This brings us to the end of this session of FDA Pulse. As always, we are committed to keeping you informed, empowered, and protected. Do join us on all our social media platforms. My name is Adelaide Darkon. Thank you for watching.